The following segment is sponsored by Wasatch Medical Clinic.
New year, new you. It's the perfect time to focus on your health and wellness. Marc from Wasatch Medical Clinic is here to tell us all about a treatment for ED. Marc, great to see you.
Great to see you as well, thanks.
Of course, we love when you're here. Okay, what's this new treatment we're hearing about?
So it is called acoustic wave therapy. Now the importance here is acoustic wave therapy at Wasatch Medical Clinic actually treats the root cause of ED, not just the symptoms.
Okay, good to know. Now what are patients saying about this? What are we hearing?
We get great feedback from our patients. Some of our patients tell us how easy and pain-free it is. They tell us about how their function has improved, their sensitivity has improved, and we also hear from their significant others as well, talking about how acoustic wave therapy has actually helped improve their relationship.
Sure, very important. Okay, now what are professionals saying? Is there any science backing this?
Absolutely. So 60 clinical studies, and if people want to go to wasatchmedicalclinic.com, we have the links to those studies, but those studies showing both the safety and efficacy of utilizing acoustic wave therapy in treating the root cause of ED.
Okay, awesome. Now, how is this different from the pill, which has normally been used to treat ED, right?
Right. And the pills have been around for a long time. More than 2 decades now, believe it or not.
Wow.
The pills treat the symptoms, but they do nothing to treat the underlying cause. Pills also come with timing issues, and they can come with side effects. Both of those can get in the way of the desired outcome. So our acoustic wave therapy at Wasatch Medical Clinic treats the root cause. It allows more blood flow where and when a guy needs it the most.
Okay, now what would you say to someone who may be a little bit nervous about picking up that phone and booking a consultation? What would you say?
Yeah, so guys, don't be nervous about this, okay? Because we want to make this as very comfortable for you as possible. Also, importantly here is this is not going to go away on its own. So this is a physical problem that needs a physical solution.
Okay, good to know. Now, can this treatment treat all levels of severity of ED?
Yes, we see guys with mild ED all the way up to the severe ED, but yes, it does treat all levels because, again, we're opening up the blood vessels.
Now, walk us through what a consultation looks like, Marc.
So guy comes in, all-male clinic, very important for guys to understand, a very discreet and confidential clinic as well. So we want to make sure guys are as comfortable as possible, but they come in, they'll get the exam, they have the assessment, the blood flow ultrasound by our doctor, and then our doctor will let them know whether they're a good candidate for this or not, and then the guy can decide whether he wants to move forward with treatments.
Now, if we decide to book that treatment, how long does it take?
So most guys are going to take several treatments over the course of a 2 to 3 week period.
Okay.
Those treatments last about 15 minutes each.
That's it?
That's it. Yep,
That's
absolutely.
really, okay, now talk about the special offer because this is a good one.
Yeah, so guys, don't put this off any longer. Call Wasatch Medical Clinic right now. You'll get the exam, the assessment, and the blood flow ultrasound absolutely free. In addition to that, a gift which can produce rapid results for those intimate moments, and that's when guys are really going to like.
Absolutely. Well, where can we go to book that consultation if we want?
So if you can call Wasatch Medical Clinic. The number is 801-901-8000. Again, 801-901-8000, or it can go to wasatchmedicalclinic.com.
Perfect. Marc, great to see you. Thanks so much.
Great to see you. Thank you.